Here we go. Punch it, Brad! Let's go! So welcome. You picked the baby powder, we call her.
The baby powder?
She's the looker. Everyone wants pictures of her first before all the others.
Of course.
You've driven Lamborghinis. Which gearbox? I'm curious.
E. It was a manual.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, this one's the same way. Paddle shifters up front. And you're familiar with them, right?
Yeah.
Left side is downshift. Right side is upshift. See if you can click those a few times for me, Brad.
Definitely.
And out on the track, we're just going to be in second gear. If you get the third, that's fine.
Okay.
Second gear keeps it a little more fun.
Definitely.
Let's talk about the track, since we have the Lambos out right now.
Okay.
That's where you're going to be starting with the straightaway, Brad. At the end of the straightaway, there's two big cones similar to the ones you see in front of us. You can't see it from here, but that's going to be our recommended braking area. When you get to that point, just brake the car, brake it firmly, and from there it'll transition to a couple little S-turns over here on the left side. Important thing to note, Brad, two big cones in this area, closest to us. Just keep it slow around here. Let it roll. Reason being is if you make a mistake, I don't want you spilling out into the crowd.
Of course.
That said, you do have insurance. Any mistakes you do make, Brad, make them out there by the link. If you spill out or spin out back there, knock over some cones, no big deal, right?
We'll do.
All right. Any questions?
No questions. This is fun.
Okay, we got 5 laps. Let the first lap be like a feeler lap. Get used to the car, get used to the track, and then thereafter we'll go faster and faster each time.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good.
Let's drop this e-brake. Let's get this car in motion. Everyone does that, no worries. So it's going to be, good to go. Drop the e-brake over here in the center. And let's slowly creep our way up towards
that center.
Those little cones there, and hold our place in line. Everything's going to feel real stiff at first and heavy. You're good. It takes a while for the clutch to engage in first. And everything's going to feel very heavy. But it'll open up at speed. Go all the way down for you. No worries. I'm going to hang tight right here, see what's going on. Stop right here. Stop. I know everything feels a little stiff, right? Alright, what do you say? You want to chase a Ferrari?
Sure, let's do it.
He's going awfully slow though. I don't want you to get stuck behind him. So we'll hang tight a little bit.
How long have you guys been doing this?
Oh, for a few years now. Well, at least I have.
Cool.
So, looks like that's his last lap. We'll go on your go, man. Let's rock and roll, have some fun, alright?
Let's do it.
Alright, Brad. And ease onto the throttle, too. Don't make it too sudden or too quick.
Of course.
You can go a little faster, though.
A little faster?
Once you start to straighten out, there we go.
Get a little feel for it.
Gas a little bit. This is nothing yet. And here's the two cones I was talking about, right? Feel free to open it up a little bit. Okay. Everything's gonna make sense once you go through it one time, though. I know it looks like a big mess of cones out here. Right away, you'll feel how wide she is. Similar to the other one you drove, right?
Yeah, similar. Very similar. Very similar.
On this one, we'll really open her up. I just wanted you to get a feel for what it looks like out here.
Definitely. Appreciate it.
Again, once you get to this area, you can even go and be going a little bit faster if you want to next time too, And then as you straighten up, that's when you give her some gas. All right, open her up a little bit, Brad. Come on, give me some juice. Oh, that's nothing yet. I want more from you next one, all right? Take it hard around these corners. I want you to feel the all-wheel drive and how sticky she is. Oh, drop it down in a second. You're in third right now. That's why it's a little boggy. There we go. Yeah, feel free to step on a little bit. How's she feel?
She feels good.
Yeah?
She feels good.
All right, let's really open her up, Brad. So as we start to straighten up, I want you to punch it for me. I want to feel the turbos. Punch it. Leave it in a second. Punch it. Punch it. Oh, don't shift too early on me.
That shit too, man.
We're gonna go faster on the next one. Take this turn hard. Take it hard. I want you faster, okay?
Alright.
Faster than this. I want to hear that noise a little bit. That V10, yeah. Alright, our goal this lap, Brad, is to go even faster, alright? So leave it in second, and as you start to straighten up there, I want you to just punch it.
Punch it?
Yeah. And now, punch it! Punch it, Brad! Punch it! All the way down! Feel that? Hard brake for me. Firm. Nice. Take this turn hard. You feel how sharp those brakes are?
That was a sharp brake, sharp turn.
This is what I want you to do. This speed right here. Keep it up. Good. You're getting comfortable now.
You're spoiling me, Tom. You're spoiling me.
I want you to go faster,
man.
I want more still.
You're spoiling me.
The goal of this lap, Brad, I want you to trust the car, okay? Everything we did, let's do it better. Leave it in second. Punch it. Floor it. All the way down. Keep it hard, firm brake right here. And take this turn hard. Firm brake, firm. Good, good. Nice, nice. I want you to pick a smoother line next time, okay? We're gonna clean that up. Doing good though. You're getting faster and faster.
So y'all are out in New York, right?
Yeah, the company's based out in New York. I just help out when they're in Philly. All right, same thing as she starts to straighten up. Punch it. Floor it. Give me hard, firm brake right here. Firm brake. Pick your line. Good. Oh, we almost lost it.
Yeah.
That's the all-wheel drive helping you though. Had that been rear-wheel drive, we would have been doing donuts a little bit. I want you to clean that up. This was supposed to be our last lap, but between me and you, I'm gonna throw in an extra one, all right?
Appreciate it.
I want this to be a good one though. Give me a fast speed going into the corner.
I won't let you down.
A nice, good, firm brake. Here we go. Punch it, Brad! Let's go! A nice firm brake here. Good. Choose your line. Stick to your line. Faster. Give me some gas. Gas, gas, gas. Gas. There you go. Yeah. There you go. That's how you drive. Good stuff, Brad. Alright, we're gonna slowly exit those big cones to the right there, yeah. What you think, man?
It's good.
We got you comfortable towards the end there. Give me a big U-turn and we're gonna park it to the right. Actually to the right if we could. Do a wide turn for me. Or actually that works too. Let's see if you can pull up. Yeah, right there is perfect. Good stuff, Brad.